Okay, so I want to show us now how you can place quotes in your, when you write an article. Remember, all your articles need to have quotes. So what you have to do is that when you get to your blog, you go to post. When you go to post, go to add new post. Now remember, I'm showing you how to add publisher quotes on your website, which is very important if you have to earn money with your blog. So every blog post that you write, make sure that you put those quotes on the blog and you share them. Okay, now I can decide to write a blog post here, but I don't actually want to use this method. You can add features here, you see here. So if I go here, for example, you will see paragraph. You can add a heading. You see, you can add a heading, you can add paragraphs. So we have the main important things is quotes. You see, this is a quote. I can use this if I want to put a quote, but just as I said, I don't want to use this method. So but this is what I'm going to do. So to add a topic, I'll go to my article. So I'll just copy my article. Remember, we are just in a testing method. This is just a training. So add my articles. Okay, asking put you for a header order. So that is my heading. So when you put your heading like this, what you have to do is that the next step is to click on publish. Remember, I've put my heading, I've clicked on publish. Now I can decide to add. You don't need to publish it before. If you want to, you can put your heading there. You add what I showed you here. You add maybe a paragraph, right? You continue writing, and the here is the quote. You want to put quote, you need to put this, but I don't want to use this method. I want to instead use Elementor, right? Edit with Elementor. This is what I want to use to do the work. So I'll click here. It's the same thing, but I prefer Elementor because Elementor is more, I'm more used to it. So I'm more okay. This is it. So once you get here, okay, let me cancel this. So what you have to do, you see, I told you that it was the same thing with the other one. You see heading. This is the heading here. You see heading. So you see text editor. So Elementor is I love Elementor because I'm used to it, but you can also do it the other way I showed you. So once you get here, what do? You still put your, this is heading. So I will just drag like this and drop it here. Okay, so they say add your text here. So what I'll do, I'll need to add my text. I just delete, I put my text. So this is my text. Okay, so once you put your text, you can decide to adjust the text down here. You can see left, right. So I'll put it in the middle. So when you put your text in the middle, what you have to do now is to add an image. Make sure that you put an image here. So let's go back. So once you come back here, you're going to see image. So you drag your image and drop it here. Okay, so once you drop your image there, you go to choose image. Then from here you can select an image. So okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so here is the image I have chosen. So you can choose an image like this, asking put you for ahead of others. Make sure you always have an image here. Then in the body you have to put text. This is it here, text editor. So you drag the text editor and drop it somewhere here. Okay, so after you have done that, you take your informations, whether you have written in your notepad, in your laptop, anywhere, you copy your information you have written. Make sure that it should be at least 500 words, right? Okay, so I'll just paste it here. So let me go and take some again. So take, okay, so come back. Okay, and I post my message. Okay, so this is my message here. So you can see my blog post is ready. Now is how will I now put quotes. Remember, you earn money when you have those quotes on your pages, on your website, everywhere, right? So if I share this post like this, I won't earn because there is nothing that shows that it's me. So to identify that this is my page, this is what I've written, I need to add a line of quotes in my publisher account. So what you will do is that you go to your publisher account. So you go to your publisher account. You can see here I have already a balance of $19.75. It's not bad. It's not bad. So what you do is that you come on your website, a website that you have. Okay, let me see this one. So your website or your blog, and you're going to choose. So now let's look at something here. Okay. So I can choose social bar. Okay, this is social bar, right? Social bar. So I'll choose this one. So you click here, get code. Then you click on copy. Okay, then you come here. Now you have to paste your code. What you do is that you put HTML, as you see here, HTML code. So you drag and you drop. So that is it. Now I will need to put my code that I've copied, my social barcode. So once you put the code like this, right, you can put the code anywhere. Okay, you have seen. So this is the art that is now showing here. So because I put these codes, these arts have now come out here. So you see it now. You see these are the arts that are not showing because I put the code, but I don't want to put the code here because I'll put something there. So what you can do, put the code at the bottom. So I'll put the code here. Okay, so that is it. Then here I need to put another art. You see, these are the ads that are already showing because I put that code. Now if you don't put the code, you will not have this on the block you have just written. So once I put that, I'll come back. There's another one I need to put. This one is called native ads. This one is inactive. Let me try to resubmit. Okay, so now I need to get the code. So you click on copy code, you come here, so you write again HTML, you drag and you okay, so you drag and you drop. Then I'll now paste my code here. Make sure you paste it well. So I paste my code, I wait for some time. Okay. So paste it. So I paste my code. So that is what you have to do, right? So you paste this code like this, and that is all. And you see, so when you share now your blog post, you have people that will visit. They may come here and they see an important thing like turn your social media into cash, and they decide to click it. What is here? Let me click. And when they click it, you earn money, right? So this is how you make money and how you put codes on your blog that you have written. So if you have any question, you can get to me and I'm going to answer all your questions. Thank you. So don't forget, once you have done that, you click on update, right? Update, or if you are using the other one that I showed you, you click on publish. Make sure you always publish it before you start sharing with friends and all the like.